everybody doing today? My name is Connor McGroy and I'm working on baking the bus today. Sorry I haven't given you guys much of an update lately. It's just been way too hot, and every time I try to film something, my camera just overheats and shuts down. So yeah, right now we're just kind of working on the suspension. Started looking at the radius rods, all the shocks, airbags. It's all dry rotted, the shocks are gone, and the bushings are just mashed. So slowly been redoing that. Right now I've replaced just the passenger side radius rod bushings. I got the shock removed and I'm stuck on some airbags right now. There's actually some bolts that go through the bottom of the axle and they are just rusted on there and I cannot get them off. So I gotta get different tools, see if I can pop them off. If not, I'm probably gonna have to invest in a torch and burn them off. So it's just kind of where we're at right now. It's actually going a lot smoother than I thought. I've been taking the needler and just knocking off some paint or some rust, some flake, and everything actually looks pretty good. The bus is actually in really good shape, and I'm happy with that. She just needed a little bit of love, so that's what we're doing right now. We're still on task for getting the roof raised on. Kind of worried about that, just in the fact that you don't see a lot of people actually do this to MCI. So there's not a lot of examples. The only thing that kind of concerns me with that is the front and back cone. Just making sure that I structure that right and make it as safe as possible for everyone. So yeah, hopefully once the suspension's done in about a month, yeah, we can start working on the roof raise. And once that's done, I'm so ready to get started on the interior. But yeah, we're looking at getting out of being all done about February next year. I know the interior is going to go pretty quick. I'm not too worried about that. It's just the mechanical process has been horrible. Other things I've been working on, I had to get the belt tensioner rebuilt. That wasn't too bad. And then also I rebuilt the air dryer. That was absolutely disgusting. There was oil and water, all kinds of stuff in there. So got that rebuilt, looks pretty good. Also rebuilt the purge valve. That was stuck on me. And yeah, I was building up to about 140 and I couldn't have that. But other than that, everything's going pretty smooth. I feel pretty good right now. So I'll try to keep you guys a little bit better updated. I can't promise anything because it is just hot. It's honestly been probably one of the worst summers. But yeah, if you enjoy it, please subscribe, follow us on Instagram, have a Facebook page now, even have a TikTok, YouTube. So thank you guys for watching, and